Hello folks, it's Justin again with Mach Speed Hobbies. We got another video coming out to you today. This one is just some sport aerobatics, not really what I'd call 3D. I'm just not really a fully accomplished 3D pilot yet, but I can pull some loops and rolls. I will also include the smackdown at the end. We're not going to edit that out, so I'm going to show you. I tried to attempt some TikToks, which I'm not particularly good at, so I dumb thumbed it, and we smacked this thing straight into the asphalt, and it took it surprisingly well. As hard as the hit would have been, other helicopters would have been in pieces. This thing did very little damage to the helicopter, probably 15 minutes worth of work. Most of the parts were actually included with the helicopter that you need to fix it, so pretty cool stuff there. So enjoy the video, guys. Be sure to comment anything that you guys would like to add. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Back right over me, huh? Okay, folks, so I just wanted to give you a quick rundown after that little smackdown straight to asphalt. This is my canopy. We took one tiny little scuff there on the front. You'll see the tail boom is completely intact. We did not damage that in any way. The frame and landing gear still there. The battery didn't take a hit. Nothing got scraped inside. The head's completely fine. I believe that the if you look there, the feathering shaft looks completely straight. We'll fly it after that. Now, I did pick up a slight bend in the main shaft. Now, that's pretty typical for taking a hit as hard as that is. I did splinter off the very end of one of my rotor blades, but my other one is actually fine. So, unbelievably durable helicopter. I mean, that thing hit hard directly on asphalt, and she just pretty much absorbed it. The center drive shaft already comes with a spare in the kit, and if it turns out that I do have a slight bend in the feathering shaft, which I don't think I do, but if I do, I've got a spare one of those that comes with the kit too. I've got a spare set of blades, so I can throw those on really quickly and have this thing right back in the air. So I just wanted to show you guys that after such a hard wreck, that's the only damage I did. We're talking about maybe, 15 minutes worth of work max to have her right back in the air again. So I'm highly impressed. That was just my dumb thumbs at work. Just extremely rusty after not flying all winter. And so guys, like I said, cut me some slack on that, but I just want to show you guys what this thing was capable of, some really smooth aerobatics. So you guys like and subscribe to the videos. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications so that you'll be notified when we put out new videos. And check out the links in the description. We've got everything from radio setup to binding procedures and other videos of the unboxing and my first initial flight. We also have a link to where you can buy these directly from us. They're about to start shipping. We'll be getting them early next week. So go ahead and get your orders in now, get them locked in, and we'll be having them out to you soon. Thanks a bunch.